As a project management expert, I often encounter questions about the tools and strategies employed by leading companies. Apple, a name synonymous with innovation and meticulous execution, naturally sparks curiosity about its internal processes. One common question is whether Apple utilizes Wrike, a popular project management software, to orchestrate its complex projects. To answer this question definitively requires looking beyond speculation and analyzing available information, understanding Apple's known project management approaches, and considering the capabilities of Wrike itself. Understanding Apple's project management philosophy. Apple's success is not solely attributed to its groundbreaking products, but also to its highly refined internal processes. While Apple maintains a high degree of secrecy about its day-to-day operations, some key aspects of its project management philosophy have become evident. Centralized leadership and clear vision. Apple's project management is characterized by strong, centralized leadership that ensures all initiatives align with the company's overarching strategic vision. Senior leadership plays an active role in product direction, fostering clarity and purpose across teams. Cross-functional collaboration. Apple emphasizes close collaboration between different functional teams, such as hardware, software, and marketing. This integrated approach minimizes errors and enhances efficiency throughout the project lifecycle, from conceptualization to final product delivery. Iterative improvement, PDCA cycle. Apple reportedly employs the Plan-Do-Check Act, PDCA, cycle for continuous improvement in its operations and product development. This iterative approach allows for rapid feedback loops, enabling teams to refine products based on testing, user feedback, and market analysis. Focus on innovation and excellence. Apple's project management is deeply rooted in a culture of innovation and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Decisions are driven by a commitment to pushing technological boundaries while maintaining a consistent brand identity and high-quality standards. Functional organization. Unlike companies organized around business units, Apple adopts a functional structure. This means experts in specific domains, e.g., hardware engineering, software development, lead teams, and make critical decisions within their areas of expertise. This model prioritizes deep knowledge and informed judgment in the innovation process. These principles suggest that Apple's project management likely relies on tools and methodologies that support strong communication, cross-functional teamwork, iterative development, and centralized oversight. Examining Wrike's capabilities as a project management tool. Wrike is a versatile, cloud-based project management platform designed to help teams of various sizes manage their work efficiently. Its key features include task management and organization. Wrike allows teams to create, assign, and track tasks with deadlines, dependencies, and priorities. It offers various views like lists, Gantt charts, and Kanban boards to visualize progress. Collaboration and communication. The platform facilitates team communication through features like it mentions, shared workspaces, and real-time updates. It also supports file sharing and proofing workflows. Workflow automation. Wrike enables the automation of repetitive tasks and processes through customizable workflows, streamlining operations and reducing manual effort. Reporting and analytics. The software offers robust reporting and dashboard capabilities, providing insights into project performance, resource allocation, and team productivity. Customization and scalability. Wrike is highly customizable, allowing teams to tailor the platform to their specific needs and workflows. It is also scalable, making it suitable for both small teams and large enterprises. Integrations. Wrike integrates with a wide range of other business applications, such as email, calendar, and CRM systems, enhancing its functionality and connectivity. Given these features, Wrike could potentially support many aspects of Apple's project management needs, particularly in facilitating collaboration, managing complex workflows, and providing visibility into project progress. Investigating whether Apple officially uses Wrike. Despite Wrike being a robust platform compatible with macOS and iOS devices, there is no publicly available official confirmation that Apple uses Wrike as its primary project management software. Apple is known for its tight control over information regarding its internal operations and the specific tools it employs. While Wrike lists numerous well-known companies among its users in case studies and testimonials, Apple is not explicitly mentioned in these public materials. This absence of explicit confirmation does not definitively rule out the possibility of some teams or departments within Apple using Wrike. Large organizations often have diverse toolsets across different divisions. However, it suggests that Wrike is likely not the universally adopted or centrally acknowledged project management solution within Apple, considering alternative project management tools Apple might use. Given Apple's emphasis on security, integration within its own ecosystem, and potentially highly customized workflows, it's plausible that Apple relies on a combination of in-house developed tools and carefully selected third-party solutions. Some possibilities include proprietary internal systems. Apple may have developed its own project management software tailored specifically to its unique processes and security requirements. Many large technology companies invest in building internal tools to meet their specific needs. Integration with Apple's ecosystem. Apple might leverage its own suite of productivity and collaboration tools, such as Calendar, Mail, Notes, and its professional applications, e.g., Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, potentially integrated with some form of internal project tracking system. Other enterprise-level project management software. If Apple does use a third-party solution on a broader scale, it might be one of the other leading enterprise project management platforms known for their scalability, security features, and customization options. Some of these include Microsoft Project, a widely used tool, particularly in large organizations, offering comprehensive features for planning, scheduling, and resource management. Asana, known for its user-friendly interface and strong collaboration features, suitable for teams of all sizes. Monday.com, a highly visual and customizable work operating system that can be adapted for project management. Jira, popular among software development teams for its agile project management capabilities and issue tracking. Smartsheet, a spreadsheet-based tool that offers project management features, appealing to users familiar with this format. PlanView, an enterprise-grade solution focused on portfolio and resource management for large organizations. It's also possible that different teams within Apple utilize different tools based on their specific project needs and workflows. For instance, a marketing team might use a different platform than an engineering team.